Accessibility applications in buildings. The basic accessibility conditions of retailers and buildings are set in the Technical Code of Building on the basic safety documents of use and accessibility, as well as the safety in case of fire. Since the 4th of December 2017, providing buildings with all means of accessibility requires mandatory compliance, avoiding architectural barriers that may limit the use by elder and disabled users. For that purpose, there are different mechanical elements that allow to follow the rule and to avoid the mobility problem in buildings. Eco Excel Hydraulic Home Lift. It is the most basic model among accessibility variety. It is designed for people with reduced mobility with wheelchair and their attendants. This lift has a single-phase motor that lets it be plugged as a household appliance. It is ruled and homologated by the current European machinery guidelines for its legalization and working. For its installation, the following phases are developed. Phase 1. The architecture execution project is done to give support to the installation work in the Phase 1. A setting out of all elements in the building is done. The installations which may be affected by the work to be done are located too. Phase 2. The first phase of masonry works to prepare the installation execution is done in the second phase. After that, the regulatory pit digging is done. The foundation that will support the structure is prepared and the safety measures are installed. Phase 3. The assembly of the structure and its closing is done in the third phase. The installation of the mechanical and electrical parts of the lift is assembled. The required safety measures are installed. Phase 4. The second part of masonry works and finishes are done in the last phase. Afterwards, the safety elements are removed. Then the tests are done and the installation is cleaned to be commissioned and to be delivered to the client. In this delivery of the installation, the client is given all documents related to the installation. Inclined straight platform. The Stairlift EXCI2 is the perfect solution to make the straight interior and exterior stairs accessible for people with reduced mobility. Its capacity of load and robustness, together with its extremely thin design, which make it the most compact in the market, occupying the minimum space, improves our clients' quality of life. Powered by the single-phase energy, its low consume and easiness of use guarantee a comfort and long life of the product for the user's service. Phase 1. In the first phase of the platform installation, and in case of necessary modification of common elements, the architecture project is done. Likewise, elements affected in the installations at workplace are located. Phase 2. In the second phase, the installation of safety measures is done. After that, the wall or step brackets are installed according to the installation requirements. Phase 3. In the last phase, the mechanical and electrical assembly is done. Then the tests are done and the installation is cleaned to be commissioned and to be delivered to the client. In this delivery of the installation, the client is given all documents related to the installation. Vertical platform EXC-V2. The vertical platform is a lift for short travels. It is always ready for its use. Its main characteristics are versatility and comfort. It is adaptable to its dimensions for people with reduced mobility in wheelchair and their attendants. It works powered by single phase with low consume. It is manufactured by the current quality standards set by the European Machinery Guidelines. For its installation, the following phases are developed. Phase 1. The architecture project is done in the first phase. In case there is a modification of the common elements, the setting out of the installation is carried out locating the affected elements at the workplace. Phase 2. The second phase is carried out in the first phase of masonry to prepare the installation needs. After the masonry works, both the pit digging and the pit foundation are done. Then the safety measures are installed according to the requirements. Phase 3. The structure assembly and its closing are done in this phase. Likewise, the lift assembly with the mechanical and electrical parts is done and the safety measures are installed. Phase 4. To finish the work, the masonry work and finishes are carried out. The safety elements are removed then. Then the tests are done and the installation is cleaned to be commissioned and to be delivered to the client. In this delivery of the installation, the client is given all documents related to the installation.